today I'm going to teach you how to set up DarkComet version 4 and how and no and port forwarding without accessing your router. Now, for things you're going to need is DarkComet, of course, and only DarkComet, nothing else, and Windows 7. So first we're going to cover the port forwarding part. We are going to go to start and then computer, and you're going to go to network, and you need to wait and you'll see residential gateway device. Click on it, properties, and go to settings. Wait that it loads. And here you'll see this. Now if you have usually you will see Skype or BitTorrent or uTorrent, everything. Just select, I'm going to select uTorrent, and click on edit. Now when you'll get this window, we go to start and type cmd command properties, and we'll type ip.config, and these numbers are important for us, so just copy them in here, and here we're going to put our number we want to port forward. So I'm going to forward port 3654. It doesn't matter, just enter some numbers and retype it here, and check this and click on OK and confirm here and here. Now when this is done, we are going to open our DarkComet and DarkComet client, and here we're going to click on this plus button. Now make sure this is checked and paste the port. Now go listen and allow, and you need to allow access. Now when this is done, we'll go to settings, and here we're going to now this part I'm going to cover right now. Open your web browser and type in and click on this site. Now you need to create an account, and for them just log in and create and click on add host, and if you don't understand this part, it will be included in my tutorial, so you can set up by your own. Okay, now when you have your no IP, we are going to go to DarkComet settings, no IP updater, and here we're going to enter our host. So my host is and just make sure that you'll have no IP.biz on the end. Now this is my login details, and here is my password, and auto update here no IP. Now got updates, then you'll see that this is successfully updated. Now we can close this window and we can check if our ports are open now. Now I'm just going to see to go on can you see me, and we're going to check if the port is open, and we see that the port is open. Now we can set up our server. Go to edit server, and here you can mute text. Just randomly click 5 to 3 times on here, and here I'm going to name my ID progressive rock, and profile name Uh, if anyone knows who is the band Genesis, you're awesome. Now we can move on network settings. Now here I'm going to type my DNC and here is my port, and I'm going to test my connection, and it was successfully connected to port 3645. And now we can move on to model startup. If you're going to use a crypter with the function enable startup, leave this unchecked. But if you aren't going to use a crypter, or the crypter doesn't have this function, check this and check this. This is very helpful to if you get caught. And you can also check persist installation. This will make very hard to move. And check this. But if you check all of this, your crypter can sometimes corrupt your file, so it's better to leave to only check this one and this one. Now installation message. This is good if you want to convict the victim that he opened a broken file, like warning, file is missing or something, and just make this and test, and the victim will think that you sent him a broken file. So we can move on to model shield. This is very good if you aren't using any cryptors. So if you aren't using any, just check these ones and this leave this unchecked or checked if you want. It's all up to your decision, but these functions also make your server very unstable. So, and because I'm testing this on my computer, I'm going to leave these are unchecked. Okay, now we go to keylogger. If you want to keep logs of the victims, just activate offline keylogger on server startup, or send logs via file transfer protocol. I'm going to uncheck both. Host file, you can leave this one alone. Here you can choose an icon. If you're using a crypter, just leave this as this, because after you crypt your file, the icon will be as the field non-icon, or the icon as the stub. So now file binder, if you want to bind it, you can. And now here is our final option. We can choose what format we want our Trojan. So I'm just going to leave it in X format, and for some information, X and COM, these are always the same. These are the same. And I'm going to test P file, and if you're using a crypter, make sure this is disabled. Now I'm going to save after building, and I'm going to build my server, and here I'm going to type my name of my unsuspicious file, and I'm going to see if this works. And here I am. The rat worked successfully. Let's see on my connections. So as I did this video, I'm going to show you some features. Here it shows how much RAM the computer is using at this time, and how many RAM the computer has. Here is language, country. This is the name of my rat. Computer name. Here's the computer name, and here is our operation system, and that's quite it. It's pink server edition. Now I'm going to show you some features. You can run a command from here, like I'm going to open command propriet, and here you go. uh, we can also show information. um, uh, s- um, we have also remote camera. Just check on this bit, this will make very high quality. We also have here flag the server if it's very important. uh, Remote desktop, it's very fun and stable rat. I recommend it for every beginner. uh, don't forget that DarkComet version 4.2 is coming out very soon. I'm going to make a tutorial on that one too, so see you on the next tutorial. Hope I learned you something today.